Alright, folks. Thought I'd get on here and show y'all something that I just finished up in the shop. Something I really like. It's a little different than what I've done before. And y'all pardon the noise in the background. I got some 3D printers running. I have moved into a new room here in the house. It's a little bit smaller room, but it's upstairs instead of downstairs. We were having a little bit of an issue with some moisture down there, so I moved my my man cave, so to speak, upstairs. So I'll give you all a tour of that in another video. But what I wanted to show y'all today was a buck 110 that I have customized for America's 250th birthday or anniversary, however you want to call it. That's what I wanted to show you today. So let's just get it out here. This is it right here. It's got the eagle with the 250 years, 1776 to 2026, freedom on that end. And on this end, it's got America 250, 1776 to 2026. And on the blade, y'all pardon, I haven't, still trying to oil everything on it. But on the blade, it's got freedom, 1776 to 2026. And the handles, I actually put carved in a anvil with a B in the center, like the buck logo. But this right here is kind of like worm grooving, I guess you would say, kind of like Case uses on their knives. But I thought it would be really cool on a buck, so I done it, and I love it. I think it turned out really great. Like I say, I've been cleaning this knife and oiling it, so it's still got some oils on it. But look at that, ain't that cool? That's just really unique. And I love the way the bolsters come out on it. Really looks good. And it comes with a fitted sheath, also made by me. I'm going to leave it natural. Now it's still got some oils that's drying on it, but it's going to be natural. It has blue thread, hand stitched. Got the word freedom, 1776 to 2026, just like it has on the blade. And it is a fitted sheath. You can see where the blade goes, the knife fits. And on the back, of course, I got my Rugged Cross Knives logo, and I have the Pledge of Allegiance in there. But now this is a scout carry. It will carry across the belt just like that, and it fits right to the top of the belt, so there's no ride up, no digging into your side. And this thing, I'm gonna put this in here and then fight to get it back out, because I'm still trying to break it in. But y'all can see how tight it fits in there. I've got to get it broke in, and it is, I'm straining pretty good to get it out of there. But it will break in to where it comes in and out smoother, but it'll never fall out of there. Just high quality stuff. That's 9-10 ounce leather. Just beautiful stuff. And the knife, I couldn't be more happy with that knife. And I'm fixing to put it up on the website, so it'll be available for sale. Some of you might think it'd be a little pricey, but put a lot of time into these things. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Give me any thoughts and comments on it. Of course, I always appreciate everybody's honesty. But y'all let me know Let me know how you feel about it, what you think about it, especially the grooving in the handles. I would really like to get some opinions on that. It's something totally new that I've done. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. And if it's something you're interested in, there's only going to be one of them. It's celebrating the 250 years of America. But it'll be going up on the website. Should be up there by the time this video posts. But anyway, I'll end this thing. I appreciate everyone. Appreciate all the support. I haven't got to do a whole ton of knife videos lately. I haven't spent as much time in the shop as I've wanted to. But I've been working real hard on the website and trying to get a more steady flow of income coming in through Rugged Cross Knives. So anyway, I won't go down that rabbit hole right now. Thank y'all again for watching. Love y'all guys, gals. God bless.